book a vet trip? Who can book a vet trip? Say it's for my good. Say it's for my good. Snip, snap, my lady bits like no one ever really should. Oh, the human can, yes, the human can. The human can, 'cause they own my furry butt and call it parenthood. Like if that's not weird, I didn't volunteer. Who can pick my outfit? Who can pick my outfit? Pink dress is really white. Pink dress is really white. And post me on the gram with a tight tutu up my thigh. Oh, the human can. The human can. The human can, 'cause they treat me like a doll and say it's all for fun with human clothes up my bum. Who can stop me sniffing? Who can stop me sniffing? My sexy doggy friend. My sexy doggy friend. Drag me from her butt like the whole world's about to end. Oh, the human can. The human can. The human can, 'cause they leash me like a freak and kill my weekend plan. Have the needs of a man. Humans